Hi, everybody. I hope you're having a great Sunday afternoon. Just wanted to go over some items with you in the course. Just a reminder that tonight, chapter 17, the quiz and the written assignments are due at 11:59 p.m. Okay. Moving forward, as you can see here, this coming week, we are going to be exploring chapter 8 and your chapter 8 quiz and the written assignments, as well as the questions located within the chapters in your textbook. They will be due next Sunday, which would be October the 11th at 11:59 p.m. So in chapter 8, we're going to look at drug use and addiction. I know probably in all of our lives, we know somebody who struggles with addiction, whether that be a family, friend, or loved one. I know myself, I have lost several people that I have went to high school with due to their drug abuse issues that they had. So this is a really good chapter. I think this will give you a lot of insight into substance abuse and how we can try to prevent those issues. In this chapter, we will discuss and define addiction. We will explain the factors that contribute to drug use, misuse, and addiction. We will understand how drugs affect the body. We will list and describe the effects of the 6 major groups of psychoactive drugs, and we will outline ways to prevent drug-related problems. So it's a really good chapter. Please read it very closely and pay close attention to all the items that are listed. I would encourage you to look at my comments with corrections on the previous assignments, as that will give you a good indication of what I'm looking for in the course and how to improve your grade. In addition to that, please expand on any answers and provide me with a lot of detail in your responses. The more detail that you provide in your answers, the higher your grades will be in the class. And also, please focus on your grammar and your punctuation as well. I hope you have a great week, and please feel free to reach out to me with any questions or concern. Thanks.